Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out the Jazmine Beauty Coastin Highlighter, which is one of the products from my November 2022 Kinder Beauty box. So if you haven't seen that unboxing video, that is of course up here on my YouTube channel. But I was excited to get this makeup product in that box because it's usually more like, it's actually a very varied box, but it's all clean beauty, but I don't get too much makeup in that box. But I was excited to get this because I love highlighters, and since this came in that box, it's vegan, cruelty-free, clean beauty. It retails for $28 and it's really pretty packaging here, and I'm excited to see how this is going to look because to me this doesn't necessarily look like a highlighter color, but all of the claims about this make it sound like it's a regular highlighter. Ooh, and it even has a mirror on here. So of course the first thing I have to do is swatch it. Ooh, I mean, it's looking pretty pink, like rose gold, I guess. Yeah, it looks a little bit too dark for my skin tone, but I'll give it a try. It's pretty, it's almost like a metallic highlighter, so I could use this on my eyes as well. But let's go ahead and try it out on my cheeks. I'm going to pick up a fluffy fan brush here to start. Dip it into the highlighter like this. And let's see how it is on the high point of my cheek. Okay, going in with just a little bit like this. It's not looking too dark. It's leaving a little bit of more of a silvery glow to the skin, which you can already see that. And that's pretty subtle, just a little bit with this brush. So I always like to apply my highlighters with my finger. Hopefully it's not going to be too intense and too dark if I do that, but let's see how it goes. I think if I diffuse it out, maybe it's okay. I don't know, I think it is creating that little bit of a shadow effect. So I think it is too dark to wear as that classic highlighter like that. But you know, I've got another cheek to try out a different technique. So I'm going to try just applying this kind of as like a blush topper. So I'm going to pick it up on a fluffy blush brush and apply it to the apple of my cheek instead and blend it exactly where I would apply blush. And it is really pretty and glowy, that like you can see, because it has a metallic finish, not a glitter finish. However, you can still see it on the skin. Like it's still a noticeable like shimmer product. It kind of looks like an eyeshadow that I put on my cheek texture wise. So from a distance, I feel like on camera as well, it looks really nice, but up close, it doesn't look super natural. But I like how it looks as a blush topper like this. I feel like it even gave more rosiness to my cheek as well. So that's pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and just even out the cheeks and apply it to this side. Wow. I mean, it's definitely buildable to some intense glow. Nice reflective sheen. I feel like my cheeks look a little bit too prominent now with how bright and glistening this is. I feel like it's just kind of hard to wear, from the shade to the metallic finish to just like the texture it leaves on the skin. So it's definitely not my favorite highlighter. Maybe for slightly darker skin tones, this would be great. But for me, and for $28, I'm gonna say this is not worth it. But definitely let me know in the comments down below how it worked for you and your skin tone and your skin texture, or maybe you like to apply this on the eyes. Even this rosy shade is not my favorite shade to wear on the eyes, just because in general, like rosy red shades, like you can see, I have so much redness in my skin naturally that I don't really like to add more redness onto my face. So for me, this is just not going to be a go-to highlighter. But it was still so fun to try out. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.